To find your OKX wallet address on PC, start by logging into your OKX account using your username and password. Once you are logged in, navigate to the top right corner of the page and click on the profile icon. Then select Asset from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the Asset page where you can view all your digital assets. Click on the Details button next to the cryptocurrency you want to find the wallet address for. This will open a new page with more information about the selected cryptocurrency. On this page, you will see a series of tabs including Deposit, Withdrawal, and Transfer. Click on the Deposit tab. Then click on the Copy Address button next to the wallet address. This will copy the wallet address to your clipboard. Alternatively, you can also click on the View QR Code button to view the QR code version of the wallet address. You can then scan the QR code using a smartphone or other device to access the wallet address. It is essential to note that each cryptocurrency has a unique wallet address. So make sure you are using the correct wallet address for the specific cryptocurrency you are working with. Also, be careful when sharing your wallet address, as it can be used to send you cryptocurrency, but it can also be used to steal your funds if it falls into the wrong hands. To ensure the security of your wallet address, always use two-factor authentication and keep your OKX account password and wallet address confidential. By following these steps, you can easily find your OKX wallet address on PC and start sending and receiving cryptocurrency.